How to fix maps.me app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix maps.me app not working. So if your maps.me app isn't working, here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try. The first step is to restart the app. Alright, you can just close the app completely, just like I've done here, and then you can now reopen it. Try that out first. Then ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If your connection is not stable, the app might not function as it ought to. And last thing you could try is to update the app. So to update the app, just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store or the App Store where you got the application from. Click on the search box, then type maps.me and then once you can see that the app has been displayed, you can see the update icon, right? Click on that and then the application will be updated. So once it's updated, you can now log in into the application again, and then by now it should work. But if you've tried this and it still didn't work, then the next step would be for you to go to your device settings and then clear the app cache. So go to your settings, then head over to applications, right? Select manage apps, and once you're on the page where all of your apps are displayed, just go ahead to select maps.me, and then on the bottom part of the screen by the bottom right corner, you can see the option which says clear data. So select that, then select clear cache, click OK, and then go ahead to restart the application, and by now it should work. Then after trying all of this and the app isn't still working, then you have no other option than to uninstall and then reinstall the application from your app store. So try that out and ensure that maps.me has necessary permissions enabled in your device settings, such as the location services. Ensure that it is done. And then by doing all of this, I'm sure that your app would be up and running as it should. So this is how to fix maps.me application not working. Thank you for watching and have a good day.